You may think that your customers who buy your products are your customers. But if you sell on Amazon, well, they're actually Amazon's customers. So what you want to do is you want to do everything you possibly can to get those customers to give you their contact information so you can contact them outside of Amazon and sell them other things that you are putting together. How do you do that? The best way of doing it is to put together a very, very good grabber in your product inserts. But how do you figure out what the hell to put on that grabber? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to do that. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm teaching you how to optimize your Amazon business, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. That was the wrong way around, but you get the general idea because we post brand new information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions or comments or feedback, you know where to do. Comment below and I'm going to answer that personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Victoria came up with a really, really great idea for coming up with grabbers for your customers. So here it is. I'll talk you through it. And then Victoria, feel free to chime in if you want to add anything to it, okay? So the purpose of this is to figure out ideas for what to give your customers to encourage them to give you their email address. Okay, so that's the purpose of it. So when you send out a product, what you want to do if you're shipping things via FBA is do everything you can to get your customers' details from Amazon. Okay, simplest way of doing that is including in the box some form of a insert that encourages them to take some action in exchange for a nice thing from you, okay? And the easiest way to find the perfect thing to give them is using Victoria's idea here. So let's suppose, I don't know, let's suppose you're in kite surfing, I don't know. You're selling kite surfing equipment, okay? So you just put in your main category that you're selling in, come over here, and then what you want to do is you want to go look for books within that. So let's just change that to books. Audible, books, and originals. Let's just try that. And let's try couch surfing there. All right, so now I'm looking at book versions of that. What are the best-selling books or Audible books in this particular genre? Well, it's all about learn kite surfing faster. Let's try going to the books only. Oh, there we go. All right, so now you've got, here's the best-selling items for this particular niche. And so what you would do is you take these best-selling items and then create your own version of it to use as a grabber. So how to learn kite surfing faster, opt in to get your book all about how to learn kite surfing faster. It's that sort of thing. Victoria, have I explained that properly?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's a few different ways that you can do this as well. Now, I wrote that post before Facebook and Instagram shut down. Mm-hmm. And so now I even think it's more important to on your social media as well to create something like this. So you've got an opt-in to get emails so you can retarget to them. So this can be used twofold. So creating this in a PDF and then using it on your social media as well to get email downloads as well. So a really easy way of doing this is to either go to either make an ebook yourself or a PDF yourself, or you can go and get the private label, what is it, PLR products?
PLR, right, yeah.
Ebooks.
Yeah.
Yep. But one really cool thing about that now as well is that once you download one of these, they look pretty generic. Canva now can change PDFs. So you can chuck this into Canva and you can put your own front cover on it and brand it yourself.
Nice.
So it's just great. So incredibly easy to do and sell it as your own.
That's fantastic. I love that. That's a really, really very, very elegant way of finding lots and lots of ideas for getting people to give you their details. I really love that. Fantastic idea, Victoria. Thanks for that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Over 2,500 members and counting, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.